So it's officially the day. We're starting to strip this guy. So I'm gonna start with probably the front end. I'll probably start with the body kit. Take the body kit off, then the front end, and then I'll do the mirrors, the quick release, and then from there, I'll probably take the head off. And then I'll take the head off, and then we'll just start stripping this car down. Take all this off, and then we'll do the swap. But I'll probably do that in another video. I'll probably just leave this video up to stripping this guy down. Boom, just like that, we off. So let's see what's under here. Not bad. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do all 4 sides. We'll see what it looks like without it on. So it'll take me about 15 minutes, but we got this whole side off. Doesn't look too bad. I plan on reusing that fender because I already cut it and stuff, and it's like pretty much good to go. I'm just gonna wash this off before I sell it, change the tires on it, but I think it looks pretty good. I mean, all things considered, like, it's not really in that bad of shape. The doors are good, I know that for sure. It's just underneath. I'll kind of show you guys what I'm talking about here. Like right here, this is like, well, that's through. And so like, this is all really weak here. So yeah, this is kind of the whole reason why. Underneath there's a couple holes. And I have no interest in doing that. So I have someone who's gonna buy it for a decent price. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Just like that, we got both sides off. Front lips off too. These are all the parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off this front end now. I'll take out the front end, and then I'll do the mirrors. Then I'll make my way inside. We're officially ready to start taking it off. So this is basically how it's gonna look when I sell it. It's gonna be gray on the back, black in the front. Kind of look like that. I mean, obviously I'm taking all this stuff off and just replacing it with this. So it's gonna look a little bit different, but the whole general like scheme's there. I'm gonna take my wheels, put just the dailies back on. So yeah, see how it goes. Boom, hood's off. It's pretty quick, just 4 bolts, little D-bolt impact here. So I'm gonna go ahead. Fenders are probably the bumper actually. Probably do bumper, then fenders, then headlights. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Boom, we're all off. So just like that. It was pretty quick. Didn't take me too long to do. Maybe like 40 minutes to do all this to get everything off. So it looks pretty good right now. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wipe all this down. I'm gonna clean it off before I put all these parts on. Before I put all this front end onto here, I'm gonna take off my mirrors and then just basically my steering wheel. I'm just gonna leave the seats and stuff, the red carpet in there for the next owner. It's too much of a hassle to take it all out. And then a little goodie back here. I don't know if I've shown you guys. So I've got my transmission. JDM V18C. So yeah, there's that. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna finish taking off this stuff. I'm gonna finish that, wipe this down, and then yeah, in the next video, I'll probably go ahead and you'll see me assembling this thing. Okay, so I've wiped it down a little bit. I took off the mirrors, both sides. Here, they're just 3 bolts. It's pretty quick. 1, 2, 3. The steering wheel is out. This is everything now. It's turning into a huge pile. Steering wheel's there. Mirrors are just over there. The last thing I'm gonna take out is, I forgot I even had this. It was the odometer here. I forgot that I had like a carbon fiber mask on it. So I'm gonna take that, and then I think that's about it. I need my ECU. I'll take that as well. And other than that, everything else in here, oh, my shift knob or my parking brake. So a few little things here and there, but basically done now. So I'm gonna just keep going, show you guys where I get. All right, so I'm pretty sure everything is completely done here. All of this is off. I went ahead, everything is off in here. Went out, I cleaned it all out. It's looking pretty good right now. And then I've got just like spare parts in the back here from like whatever, like next guy can just have them. Looking pretty good now. Off all around. Just gonna leave the carpet and seats. It's not really having a kind of a waste just to take them out. Like I plan on getting new stuff anyway. So this is what we look like. So next up is the head. I'm gonna do this in a different video because I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start putting all that stuff on here. I'm gonna start taking all this off, and then we'll do the body kit. Shouldn't take me too long because all I really have to do is cut the backs for that, and then I'll swap the interior, and then I'll do, yeah, we'll see what the next video is. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and follow along for more content.